Welcome to HPM Tech. Government applies salary increase in biggest 2020 salary and personal government of Pakistan. According to ARY News and Digital Time and we in connection information about government applies salary increase in biggest 2022 and 2023 government of Pakistan tracking in about percent in the risk and the per rate working and the benefit by 5% to 15% included in the final sprint was recommendation and the choice will independent up to IMF increment estimate in the per source and government personal postation and content and the federal biggest in the salaries in the person of government employers under heading in others and allowance of the 5 PC to 10% extraction and the passport and the requestation and the studying grade up to BPS 19 will in the 10% to 15% increment and the recognition for government officers and the working in BPS 2022 hours and the finance declared is a link in the person approved of the International Monetary and Fund and IMF. The person will in the also increase by 5 to 10% in April benefit and the Islam took and the big declaration and the of 10% increase salaries and the said will in salaries option biggest in 2022 to 2023 petrol price and increase up to 209 pkr and latest in cooking oil and the price is 515 pkr and per liter every before and include biggest employer looking towards and government some refill in this inflation and cost emulation for resource and 2022 in the effort of 10 years in the sum retail and the fuel and price increase 1,000 time of compressed and the 2020 2012 and the new government motto and the declares and free provide and refer to public in par tribunals and the next general election in the 2023 in the but to in the inflict and price heads and publish looking in the back the orders government these we are some reflected and package the provides government these and some news and the maybe that and will increase salaries in the May government start declaration and salaries about and some amount track and then Philippine and merchant Islamically and some fake news and latest tweet and the big and below this and about not plan and fees for organ currency in an account Russian digital account in the tech people and provide like in the every complete and the setup in the way every subscription in the media social media and about wrong and the comfortable quit the prime minister of some point and the regulation government not doing in the salary financial energy not the in the finance emery after increase in the petrol price out of financial correction for more update and final minister and Met Islam Twitter account from educational update and daily jobs alerts and join Facebook groups TikTok user follower Instagram and the direct content Facebook wrote Pakistan official ID on the Twitter visit www.tweet.com and for Instagram ID and include and also latest jobs personal CD and resigning How troops in Pakistan's join in Pakistan's Punjab and accorded to and government and Pakistan personnel and the risk and benefit connected and further bigger salaries and personal employees under heading allowance and regulation stating and decision in the IMF and the source and likely and personal approve will independent to the person and increase 5 to 10% and look and 20 petrol price and 20 PKR and upping graduation and the REIT fund K replies the coin and Twitter account for update finance minister and Twitter account quick majority and employers constant posting June 6, 2022 by Rao Padho Pakistan salary and Prime Minister Shehbaz Sharif risk management software get information now fund your community and sign up get allowance and fund committee to this after checking and subscribe to open inbox confirm subscription and join 8,078 and other subscribers enter your email address daily jobs and M671 and candidate today's and candidate jobs and young experience driven and dunya new Govt national and there's news job cities job in Punjab job in Islamabad job in Rawalpindi job in Lahore job in Peshawar job in Karachi job in KPK job in Multan job in Faisalabad job in Moor job in tax law job in Sindh about contract privacy policy disclaimer and not copyright like subscribe the press bell icon for latest mission update thanks for watching the fake news and the latest salaries and